welcome back to the Mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is talking about something that is going around on social media about her. She's saying that they're spreading lies and rumors about her on social media, and it's making her uncomfortable. She's saying that this person is talking about her in a way that nobody else has, and she will not stop at anything with this one. Marcia is saying that basically the person is coming out and saying that she's blind and she has to show her driver's license to let people know that that's not true, because she say that it would have shown on her license and that's not there. She's saying that this individual is coming up with all sorts of cruel things about her, and it's unacceptable. And for this one, she, Marcia, is going to go out and ensure that this person doesn't do anything more to um, try to, go against her or to defame her. So go ahead, guys, and catch the video. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, have yourselves a super excellent and wonderful afternoon.
Pay them no money and me a police have a call. Just as how she came on social media and tell lie Pantina Chin, spreading rumors, how she call organizations and tell organization this and that and whatever when not go so. And this woman coming out here talking all kind of thing about me. Oh, me God, Jamaica, me go meet man, me carry man, go make send man for vacation, or me blind, and all kind of thing. And over there talking about the people, this is my driver's license. This is my Connecticut driver's license, right there, so. My Connecticut driver's license. This is my lovely pretty picture. My lovely pretty picture on Connecticut driver's license. This is my, I could put out the number. This is my address, everybody knows, so I used to live right there. So for sure, see, I'm a driver's license. This is my driver's license. See there. 212 Woodland Drive. It won't change. This is my class up here, so over this side. Me have to take eye test. This is my class over here. Wearing my driver's license. Yes, I'm blind. Where on my driver's license? Come show me the license and say what you say over there, so. Cause not else, not the penny. Because if anything did wrong with me, it would have they over this side there. This is my picture over here. Me have to take eye tests and push me to ya in the something. See there? This is my picture over there. This is my address. This is my address, where me come from, famous address. Over Woodland Village, 212 Woodland Drive. I soon change it. I don't live there no more. All right? This is the class over here, so. You need to put in your place, woman. You need to put in your place. You need to put in your damn place. You need to put in your place. And the thing about it, as soon as this woman come on social media, the bloggers, them share it. Especially to the dirty boy we call GT. Especially to that dirty boy we call GT. So you tell me now, where? First of all, in the middle, I mean important numbers. The expiration date, my driver's license number, and all of that. And the whole area of the sort. You tell me, this is my class over here. You tell me. You need to be put in your place. And you not get away with this. You need to be put in your place. You can't a riffraff woman like you will live in one Caribbean country. You can't in America, you can't come on social media. You cannot come on social media like that and cause so much problem and so much bullying in America if American people were legal and have American passport. Your country depends on tourism to survive. And you are, I don't even know if you are a citizen of that country. And you can, they are fear country, and that gives so much trouble. I for American people, with them a slandering now. Where you are going with them? You can't die Jamaica 6 weeks. Me die Jamaica and rent car. Me die Jamaica for 6 weeks and rent car. Me no pay a woman for car. Huh? Then I wish time me go to Jamaica and spend 6 weeks and don't pay a woman for car. You tell me. Me want to know I wish time me go to Jamaica. Me never go to Jamaica and spend 6 weeks yet. So we're in Jamaica. Who me dad Jamaica and rent car for 6 weeks I don't pay. And then go report into police. Come show me the police record. Come show me the police record. We then go. Yeah, get out of hand. You are getting out of hand. This is one here. Me not play with you. Since as your boss I train you well for $75. It will cost you more than $75 when me done with you. Him have to go sell him behind when I'm finished with you. Me not ask you. Can you not get away with this? You're not getting with it. Coming on social media talking about me. 2024. And you and come up here with the same bullshit every single day. Never show you. Say, don't play with me. Never show you, say don't play with me. Yeah, come and talk about me love dick and me love dick. At least me not love pussy. You're gonna be over your talking or something? It's alright. It's alright. It's watch me you. 2024. Just get festive. You have to come with your doctor paper them. And you have to come with the witnesses them. Me want you come with the doctor. Me want you go in my doctor office. I'm gonna get your ophthalmologist. And come. You have to tell me which part you get my ophthalmologist doctor paper from. You have to tell me which part. You have to tell me which part you get your ophthalmologist paper from. See me class D. Look pan phone no driver's license when I have on no yard and tell me what it say. The people who have straight eye. Go and go look. You have to tell me which part you get your doctor paper from. The people who drive, go look on the class and see when you have penny and come tell me right as so. Come tell me. If go with the straight people them there. Go get no driver's license and come back and show me when you have penny. You live in America. Come show me. The people them we have them driver's license. Come and tell me when you have out there so. The people who live in Connecticut and New York City or wherever it is. Connecticut. Come tell me what do you have out here, out of this part where it says. Come tell me. Where the people them there? Come tell me. Where the people them there? Come tell me. The people them we have on a driver's license. Come tell me where it's a ya. We have nothing. Come tell me. 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 Dennis Gale Class D. Come tell me. Come tell me. What Class C stand for, Felicia? Frederica, what that stand for? What Class C stand for? Yeah, what that stand for? Eh? What Class C stand for? We have CDL, we have big, what we have? No, you are get from bad to worse. You're getting from bad to worse. You're getting from bad to worse. You're getting from bad to worse. You're pissing me off now. You're pissing me off. A big, sour, dirty, ugly woman like you. Before you go look work, you make an idiot, worthless boy will sit down past social media and a grown and near woman pussy to survive. I turn in a damn idiot. Fake also man. You're not getting away with this one. You have to come off of me. You're not getting away with this one. Let the war begin. You're not getting away with this one. This is one somebody. You're not going at 2024 too much with this. I'm going to teach you a lesson how we are freak with. You don't have money like me, bitch. Me not ask you. I can see how much money I'm going to raise for you. Me and you. Me and you. Me and you. You add on to the list. You are going too much. You know better. You come out here in a one Highland. You don't have nothing. And you come out here pick for me. You come out here pick for Tina Chin. And you can't walk in and none with shoes. Eh? You don't have no business. You don't have nothing. You understand? Me now come out here beg you nothing. I beg your boss nothing. You don't even have a proper bed to sleep on. First of all, you worry about me if you find someone to live. Which part me there stay put a head over my head. You wish if you did have them a breed of money when me a spend for live for a little nice life, you would have a sweet Christmas. Me now ask you, not even the bitches them on social media I talk about me. This don't even live like me. And you come up here every single day chat about somebody who well nice and comfortable. Eh? Me not even have to open door. Me not even have to touch door knob. Door just open for me. Me not have to touch and go and you. Me I get breakfast, lunch and dinner. Breakfast, lunch and taken care of. Me I get meat service. And you have the nerve to come up here and talking about me? Eh? You what? Are you crazy? Eh? Me all hear them all one girl write to say, oh, if you not say me mad. Can under the page if Unosi says she's Unosi says a madam and that. Can you imagine? The blood of Jesus is against you. Can you imagine? Have the nerve. Unosi say that woman they mad. Can you imagine? You see you will call me that? I send it right back to the pit of hell. I send you and madness by your generation, your pitney, right back to sender. Go look at the people who you go under watch and ask if those people are behaving like somebody saying. Go and check those persons who no waste no time and watch and listen to. Go and listen to them. Go and listen to them and look and see if those people are writing in their head. Go listen to them. Right back to sender. Take a look at me and take a look at those people. It's only mad, delusional people can come up as Facebook and make up story when I go so. It's only mad, delusional people can come up and make up story that not go like that. You know what story she refer to? About not paying car? She's talking about, because I come on social media and talk about my cousin when I got Jamaica. You understand? That's what she's referring to. When me rent the vehicle from my cousin, and she talk and them and my cousin, and that she talking about. That is what she's talking about. And she twists up the story. And that is what she's talking about. And take his story and twist it around. My cousin who robbed me almost $1 million in a merchandise. You understand? That is what she's talking about. No almost. We rob me. We take my merchandise them. That's what she's referring to. You understand? So, let me tell you something. You not get to with no rumor where you spread for me. May I tell you now? I just wait, man. You will see. You will see. Just wait. You will see who need to go find house for live or who not to find house for live. You will see who need to go find house. Me look like somebody that worry for find house for live. Me have to them. Me look, you ever see me hungry?